Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report scams using the Scamwatch Australia website. I will be on here and make sure you will just search for on your browse scamwatch.gov.au. Basically this is the Australian government website where you can just stop better safe than scammed. And when you just get in, so here you will just tap on it simply. The third option is report a scam. I will just tap on it simply. So when you just access in it, so you will be just simply scroll down and you will just tap on simply report to us. So you will just get to the start to the form, and when you just get in, so here you will just read this all the useful tips, and I will just tap on simply start report. So here you will see, you will just tell them about the scam details. Complete the form, provided details information about the scam including the scam contact details, and you will description of the scam, any relevant documentation or evidence. So you will just simply just submit, and the report after filling in all necessary details, submit the form. So after you will just filling in all necessary details, you will just simply just tap on this upload files, and you will just in the last you will just submit it. Reporting scams helps authorize combat fraud activities and protect others from falling victim. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.